If you have a custom piece of exhaust that you need to make, I'll show you how to do that. We need to make a pipe that will fit from here to the resonator. Even an old exhaust will have some pieces that are in really good shape. I cut out a piece that has the correct bend in it. I made it a little bit longer than I need. I bought a coupler at the auto parts store that will fit over the pipes. The coupler has the proper inside diameter to fit the pipes together. I'll move the pipes into the right orientation so I can mark the pipe. With the pipes in the right orientation, I'll mark the pipe with a pencil. Remove the pipe so we can cut it. To make sure we get a square cut, we'll wrap a piece of paper around the pipe. Paper will give us a guide so we can get a square cut. With the paper as a guide, draw all around the pipe. Now we've got a nice straight square line all the way around the pipe. We'll hold the pipe in a vise so we can cut it. Now we've got the right size. We'll deburr the pipe. Clean it up on a wire wheel. That'll take all the scale off. File off any burrs that'll stop the pipe from going in. Insert the pipes together. Very lightly tap it together if you need to. Insert the coupler. Install our clamps. Spin the nuts down equally. Snug everything up, but don't crush it. Tighten everything evenly. Here's a shot of the clamp installed from the side. Install the pipe to the resonator. The clamp should be a little bit loose so you can move everything around. Install the muffler mounts. We'll install the last clamp. With everything in place, we'll tighten up the bolts. Now everything's all tightened up.